Welcome back to BoloSign. In this quick guide, I will show you how to use the filter feature to easily organize and find your documents. Firstly, we'll click on the BoloSign mobile app. On the document page, look for the filter icon. It is located at the top right corner next to the search bar. If we tap on the filter option, the search filter menu will appear. Here's what you can do with it. Filter by the status. To view documents that are signed, draft, sent via link, void or declined. Sort your document by creation time, modification time, or document name for better organization. Use the data range filters to find documents created within a specific time frame. And if needed, tap Reset All to clear all filters and start fresh. Once you have selected your filters, the document list updates instantly, showing only what you need. It's that simple. This feature is a game changer for managing multiple files. It helps you stay organized, save time, and ensure you can quickly find the right document when you need it. That's it for this guide. Start using the filter option today and make document management effortlessly with BoloSign mobile app. Thank you.